Hello everyone, today we are going to show you our model CR5000 for common rail injector and pump testing. The tester CR5000 can be used for testing all common rail injectors and common rail pumps like Bosch, Denso, Durfee, Cummins, Siemens, CAT, and other brands common rail injectors and pumps. And especially it can test 6 pieces injector at the same time. Firstly, I'm going to show you the tester system. This is the system of our model CR5000. Our tester can test Bosch, Denso, Durfee, Siemens, and other brands injectors. Now I'm going to show you the testing system of our model CR5000. This is our CR5000 testing system. Our tester can update the program online. In our system, you can choose different languages. For example, Chinese, English, Russian, and other languages. Settings. Our engineer can adjust the flow sensor and pressure sensor online. For common rail injector testing, in our system, we settled more than 3,000 test plans. Durfee, Siemens, Cummins, Caterpillar, Chongqing, Long Range, Peng, Nanyue, and other common rail injector. For testing every common rail injector, you can check in our system, all the testing parameters you can check in the system. You can check the pressure, oil delivery, and DRV-ZME current, and flow curve in the system. You can choose to testing 1 or 6 injector. 1, 2, 4, or 6 injector. For common rail pump testing, can test Bosch, Denso, Durfee, Siemens, Cummins, Caterpillar, and other brands common rail pumps. For testing common rail pumps, you also can check all the testing date in the system. The pump number, the pressure, the delivery, the ZME and DRV current, and the pressure curve and the flow curve, ZME type, and other parameters. You can choose auto model or glass tube manual model to check your pumps. For Denso HP0 pump, Our CR5000 can test Denso HP0 pump. It can test PCV-A and PCV-B together, or only testing PCV-A or PCV-B. And then I will show you the cable connection for the model CR5000. The cable connection for model CR5000. USB connection for your mouse or keyboard. The cable connection for injectors and pumps. ZME and DRV cable. ZME and DRV cable. Pressure sensor cable. Cam sensor cable. Denso HP0 pump PCV1 cable. Flow sensor cable. Piezo injector cable. Two pieces injector cable for connection 6 pieces injectors. Power supply. Now our engineer will show you the testing process for common rail injectors and pumps. Firstly, we will show you the testing process for Denso HP0 pump. The cable connection for Denso HP0 pump testing. DRV connection. Real pressure sensor connection. PCV1 and PCV2 connection. Cam sensor connection. Flow sensor connection. Fuel supply and fuel return for Denso HP0 pump. Firstly, choose the correct pump number in the system. Start. The pressure and oil delivery and DRV-ZME current will be shown in the system. This is the standard pressure for the sensor HP0 pump, and standard angle, and RPM, and standard load. This is the testing results. You can compare the testing results with the standard parameters. Choose this button to go to the next step. Model CR5000 can test 6 pieces common rail injectors. Today we will show you the testing process for 1-piece common rail injector. A cable connection for common rail injector testing. ZME on common rail pump. And DRV valve connection on common rail pump. Rail pressure sensor connection. Six pieces common rail injector connection. Flow sensor connection. The testing process for 1-piece common rail injector. Choose the right injector number. Choose 1-piece injector, and then start. The testing results for the common rail injector, the pressure and the delivery, the current for DRV and ZME, the standard parameters for common rail injector. You can check the testing results by compare the testing results and the standard parameters. Press this button to go to next step. When the pressure up to the standard pressure, you can check the results and compare with the standard parameters.